Welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar, and Thermax is the other stock on our radar. It is lower in trade, reported a weak set of Q2 numbers. There was some commentary coming in from the management as well in conference call. Winnie is joining us with more details and what the management indicated. Winnie?
Hi. So yes, absolutely a weak set of numbers that came in from the company this time, and the stock opened up in the red as well with sharp cuts. Miss on all fronts, execution was a challenge. Obviously, margins was impacted by adverse product mix, project cost overruns that were there, and key segments also the industrial product and industrial infra side. Industrial infra and chemicals specifically saw a sharper decline in terms of the performances on the EBIT front as well. So obviously those were the factors that impacted the earnings. Now in the con call, what the management key highlights that I would like to say is one, they said that the order book, they expect that to grow for more than 20% in FY26. They're confident of getting that 20% growth. Revenue and profitability, they said that yes, there were challenges this time, especially in the first half of the year, FY26, but they expect that to ease off in the second half of the year, and overall they would perform better in FY26 versus FY25. Order backlog is going up in TWES segments for them. That is what the company highlighted. They expect large orders now to start coming in for the second half of the year, especially in the TWES segments. Volume, they said, have started picking up as well in October and November. So they're expecting positive signs in the second half of the year. That is something that we'll be keeping an eye out on. Though for chemical business, they said that they're still below their expectation of or internal target that they have of 250 crores quarterly order book over there. They're still below that level. So that is something, they're at around 200 crores. They want to come up to 250 crores. They're still below that level, but they're working towards that. But I expect second half to be better in terms of all the challenges they think. Seems like a bit in terms of worse is over for them as of now.
Well, Vinny, thank you so much for that. Like you mentioned, a lot of one-offs is what has been holding back the trajectory as far as Thermax is concerned. But